In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to trigger animation on click in PowerPoint. This is a handy feature when you want to add interactivity to your presentations, making them more dynamic and engaging. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to confidently add click-triggered animations to your slides, and it's all quite straightforward. First, let's start by opening your web browser. In the search bar, type in Microsoft PowerPoint and hit Enter. You're looking for the official link from Microsoft's website. Click on it to proceed. Once the website is open, log into your Microsoft account. If you're already signed in, you may be directed straight into PowerPoint. Now that you're in PowerPoint, open the presentation you wish to enhance with animations. Navigate to the slide with the object you want to animate. This could be a shape, a chunk of text, or any other object you're using on the slide. With your object selected, head over to the Animations tab at the top of the screen. Here, you'll find a variety of animation options. Pick one that suits the effect you want for your presentation. Next, while still in the Animations tab, click on Animation Pane. This tool opens a panel on the right side of your screen. It provides a detailed view of all the animations on your slide. In the Animation pane, identify the animation you've just applied. It will appear as part of a list, possibly indicated by a number or the name of the object. Once you've located your animation in the pane, ensure it is selected. The next step is to click on the Trigger button, which is also located on the Animations tab. Hover over the option labeled On Click Of. This allows you to specify which object will trigger the animation. You'll see a drop-down menu. This is where you select the triggering object. Often, this will be the very same object you're animating. However, in some cases, you might want another object on the slide to serve as the button that initiates the effect. Choose from the list as per your preference. After setting everything up, it's crucial to test your animation. Switch to the slideshow view, which simulates the presentation mode. Click on the object you've designated and ensure the animation plays exactly when you trigger it and not before. This step confirms that everything is functioning as intended. And that's it. You have now successfully set up a click-triggered animation in PowerPoint. With practice, this feature will become an invaluable tool in your presentation arsenal. Thank you for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.